All right, let's go over homework 5.4, number 9. All right, so in order to find the value, average value of a function, all you really have to do is integrate the function over the given interval and divide by the length of the interval. All right, so let's do that. So average value, is going to be equal to, alright, so interval is from 0 to 6, so it's going to be 1 over 6 minus 0, so 1 over 6. Integral from 0 to 6. Then you have a function. I don't like the way it's written. I don't like fractions, so I'm going to write it as a quantity, x minus 7 to the negative 2 power, right, dx. Right, so let's compute that. So this is equal to 1 over 6. Alright, then antiderivative would be, so derivative of this is 1, so we don't have to worry about too much. And so add 1 to the power, so it's going to be a quantity x minus 7. Alright, add 1 to the power, so it's going to be negative 1. Alright, divided by negative 1 is the same thing as multiply by negative 1, so you have that. Right, then you're going from 0 to 6. Right, maybe before I plug in, I'll clean up a little bit. So this is going to be 1 over 6. Right, so negative 1 power is 1 over x minus 7, and I'm gonna incorporate this negative sign, so it's going to be 1 over, right, instead of writing x minus 7, I'm going to write 7 minus x, right, because I incorporate this negative sign, right. Then you just have to go from 0 to 6, right, so this is going to be 1 over 6 times parenthesis, right, plug in 6 here, it's going to be 1 over 7 minus 6 is 1 over 1, minus, plug in 0 is obviously 1 over 7. Right, which gives you 1 over 6 times, right, 1 minus 1 over 7 is 6 over 7, right, and the 6 cancel out, and you get 1 over 7. Right, so that's the average value of this given function over the interval from 0 to 6. Alright, now we want to find the x value such that this function becomes exactly the same as the average function value. Alright, so we just have to set the function equal to that. So f of x, which is just the 1 over quantity x minus 7 squared, and we set that equal to the average value, which is 1 over 7. Alright, so let's solve that. First, I'm going to take the reciprocal of both sides. That way we have quantity x minus 7 squared is equal to 7. Alright, then take the square root of both sides to get x minus 7 is equal to plus or minus square root of 7. Right? Then we can just add 7 to both sides to get x equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 7. Alright, then we are looking for the x value in, so here we need to pay attention. It has to be in the interval. So x plus square root of 7 is obviously bigger than 6, so we can't take that. So we need, the only thing we keep is 7 minus square root of 7. So therefore, the x value we're looking for is just the 7 minus square root of 7. Because that one is on the interval from 0 to 6. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.